Hi, here we have any non-zero real numbers x comma y such that y is not equal to 3 and x upon y is less than x plus 3 upon y minus 3 will satisfy which of these four options is correct. Okay, now obviously y cannot be equal to 3 because if y is equal to 3 this will become indeterminate, hence y cannot be 3. Now to solve this inequality we first bring this term on the left hand side. So we have x upon y minus x plus 3 upon y plus 3 is less than 0. Okay, now taking LCM, x into y plus 3 minus y into x plus 3 upon y into y plus 3 is less than 0. So we'll have x into y minus y into x, it will cancel out, so we'll have 3x remaining from here and minus 3y remaining from here upon y into y plus 3 is less than 0. Okay. Now again dividing both sides by 3, so or rather let's take 3 common from here. So we have 3 times of x minus y upon y times of y plus 3 is less than 0. This is what we get. Okay. Okay, I made a slight mistake here. This is y minus 3. I made a mistake in writing. So this is y minus 3, this is y minus 3, this is y minus 3. And since this is y minus 3, so we'll have minus 3x over here. So we'll have minus xy over here. Okay. Now dividing by 3, we have minus x minus y upon y times of y minus 3 is less than 0. And again multiplying with negative sign, so to make this positive, so this will become x plus y upon y times of y minus 3 is greater than 0, because multiplying with a negative number reverses the sign of the inequality. So this is what we get, x plus y upon y into y minus 3 is greater than 0. Now which of these options is correct is what we need to figure out. So let's check one by one. Let's start with option A. Is option A correct or not? If y is greater than 0, y is greater than 10, and for this number to be greater than 0, then is minus x greater than y or not? We'll have to check that. So if y is greater than 10, the numerator here will be greater than 0. So if numerator is greater than 0 and for this whole ratio to be greater than 0, x plus y should also be greater than 0. It means that y should be greater than minus x, or minus x should be less than y. But here the option says minus x should be greater than y. Hence this option is rejected. If this is true, then this cannot be true. So option A is rejected. Option B is slightly difficult to check, so we'll come back to this option later. Let's check option C. X is less than 0. Again, since x is less than 0, it will be slightly difficult to check for x less than 0, because we won't be able to figure out whether numerator is positive or not just by looking at the value of x less than 0. So we'll come back to option C also. Let's check option D first. Y is less than 0. Now if y is less than 0, y is negative and y minus 3 will also be negative. So negative into negative will become positive. So hence the denominator is positive. If y is less than 0, the denominator is positive, and for the whole ratio to be positive greater than 0, x plus y numerator should also be positive. Right? So from here we'll get that minus x is less than y. Actually what we got over here is given in option D. If y is greater than 10, or even if y is less than 0, the numerator must be positive, and if the numerator is positive, minus x should be less than plus y. Hence option D is the correct answer. We don't even have to check option B and C. No need to check them.